Hello, welcome to Crafternoons. Today we're doing painting 5 different ways. So these are lots of fun ideas for different ways you can paint at home. So the first kind of painting is compost painting. Since I'm at work, I've brought some stuff from home. I have the stem of my celery. I have a potato that's not looking so fresh. And I have an apple that rolled most of the way across the kitchen floor. So, kids, if you're watching this, make sure to get an adult to do this. But we are going to slice up our vegetables and fruits. And here I have a nice canvas, and I've put paint in 3 different plates. So first we're going to start with a celery flower. So here we have our celery. We've made sure the paint isn't filling in the holes so we can get the effect of the celery rose. Might take a little bit more pressure. So it's a little abstract. Maybe could have cut the celery a bit more level. But we're going to move on to the apple. So we're just going to dab it in the paint. Oh. We're going to make apple prints. There we go. And next we have potato. And the problem I've been having is I've been putting too much paint on, so make sure to scrape some of that off. And the potatoes will give you a fun pattern. There we go. Then to finish off, I'm going to grab a paintbrush and add some green stems to my abstract flowers. And leaves. Here we go, painting with compost. Another way you could paint is with bubbles. So for this one, we need bubbles, bubble wands, and food coloring. So I've already mixed bright pink and blue in with the bubble mixture. And I just put a whole bunch of drops in. I want mine to be very dramatic. So then we're gonna dip and now we're going to use a different wand for the other paint so we don't get mixed up colors. So for this, we're using pom-poms and clothespins to basically paint. So I've started by painting a tree on here so that when I add the leaves with pom-poms, the brown and the other colors won't mix together. So this one's really simple and a great alternative if you're out of paintbrushes. We're gonna put a pom-pom and wipe off some of the excess. We're just gonna add some fun leaves to our trees. Switch to another color, and again, just dab the paint. And I've gone with fun fall colors here. And there we go. Okay, for this one you'll need canvas, something to put it in, and different paint colors. And we're just going to add marbles to each one. And you put your canvas in there.
Push it up a little bit. Probably push it toward the paint.
And I'm not gonna. And now, might have to fish them back on there. There we go. That's painting with marbles. Okay, so first to make the string art, we need to add a thick layer of white all over our canvas, and then try and spread it out as evenly as possible. Okay. Now we have our 2 different types of string. I'm going to go dramatic and do one in black. And another one in purple, I think. And the placement of the strings is what's important. So you want to create a pattern for when you pull the strings off. And the art is created when you pull the beads straight down towards you. This one can be a bit messy. And then the purple. There we go. We've created string art. Thank you for joining me for this Crafternoon, and if you want to share your creations, don't forget to tag the library.